In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your favorite sports team schedule to your Google Calendar. We'll start right in your web browser on a computer. Go to calendar.google.com. This opens Google Calendar in a clean full view that makes the next steps quick and straightforward. Give the page a moment to load so the sidebars and icons appear. Next, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where Google keeps most of the helpful tools and options you might not see at first glance. Don't worry, we're only using it briefly to get to the right place now. Glance over to the left side of your screen. Find the Add Calendar section in the sidebar. Click it. Then choose Browse Calendars of Interest. This is a curated list that Google maintains, and it includes holidays, astronomy events, and what we're here for today's sports schedules. It's a safe way to add calendars without hunting around the web for links. Scroll down to the sports section. You'll see categories by league and sport, such as NBA, MLB, and NFL, along with many others depending on your region. Click the sport you are interested in to expand that list. You'll get a lineup of teams, typically organized by conference or division, making it easy to find the one you support. When you see your team, simply check the box next to its name. You can select more than one team if you follow multiple clubs. The moment you check the box, Google Calendar adds that team as a separate calendar in your account. This separation is useful because you can show or hide it later without affecting your personal events. Head back to your main calendar view to verify everything worked. You should now see your team's upcoming games right on the calendar grid. Game entries include opponents, dates, and times, and they'll automatically update with scores and any schedule changes over the season. That means postponements, venue changes, and final results will appear without you doing anything else. If you don't see the events immediately, give it a few seconds or refresh the page. Also, keep in mind your calendar follows your current time zone, so game times will display correctly for where you are. That's it: fast, reliable, and always up to date. Enjoy having your team's entire season at a glance, right alongside your everyday